Good morning, everybody. As per our plan, I will demonstrate today electricity and magnetism. They are the two sides of a coin that we will confirm with so many demonstrations. Our demonstration will start now and will end at 11 a.m. as per the posting. So today's topic is a very nice topic for the whole mankind because the scientists who were working in this particular field since 16th century and till now the research is going on for the betterment and for the production and the quality development of the production of electricity. What I show you today, because I have already planned to show you demonstrations. I do not have many words theoretically. I do have a compass. Yesterday I was having, and today also I use it. So what are the components I am using today? I will show you one by one. I am showing this compass. I will be using this halogen auto lamp, 12 volt. I will be using my power pack. This one I have told you this is little heavy because it has got the ability to provide current up to 8 ampere. See what is the meaning of up to 8 ampere? That means depending upon your load only. It's not that it will deliver of its own. Suppose you are using an LED lamp, it will render 20 milliampere only, not more than that. But if you are using a auto lamp, obviously it will be consuming 2 to 3 ampere lamp current. So depending upon your load, your current will be changing. But the source should have the ability to provide. Now what I will be showing today, first I will be showing whether my power pack is active or not. Yes, it is active. These are the common things, because our camera is only pointing a specific point, so I cannot show you the whole field at a same time. So that is why I used individual, and I will be using another magnet I am using since last my programs. This is a very powerful magnet. I purchased it, and you remember whenever there is a magnet like this, that means the poles are nearby. And magnetic field starts from North Pole to South Pole. So the lines of forces will be moving around like this. So this zone we will be utilizing as because this is a very strong magnetic field. So I will be using one by one, no problem. First, let us start with the compass needle. What is the purpose? I will tell you. My purpose is to convince you, rather than to show you, that whenever a wire is carrying a current, it is having a magnetic field nearby, and that I'll be showing now. The compass is showing its own direction. I align it with the dial north south, and thereafter, what I'm doing, I will be keeping this wire almost parallel because if I keep it exactly overhead, the camera will not show the needle deflection. Anyway, I will show little slightly left or right. So whenever I power, let the lamp glow. Let the lamp glow means the lamp is also very hot. So you must have a proper arrangement, otherwise things will burn. What arrangement I am doing, you see. I take my hammer and on this metal I keep the lamp so that other things will not be that hot. First, let me allow the lamp to glow. You could observe from the surrounding the lamp light is coming, and this wire is carrying current. This is called the current towards the lamp from the source. So let me post it parallelly above it, and you just see the needle got deflected, and the moment I remove, it comes back. So from this experiment, generally, those who do not know about electricity and magnetism, they start with this, and this is called the Oyster's experiment. Famous scientist Oyster did this experiment to show all of us that this is a proof that your current carrying conductor is always associated with a magnetic field surrounding that. So this is very interesting. It got deflected by an angle of at least 20 30 degrees almost. Now what I am to do now, set aside this wire, and thereafter I will be coming to this wire, because this wire, this green wire, is returning the current. That means the direction of the current is towards the source, and that is why this is opposite to red. So I will show it again, and this will be opposite in deflection. See, this is so exciting. I don't have any words to express the happiness I get by doing this experiment. I am learning, and by same time, I also show my viewers who join me online to enjoy the beauty of science. So this is again the same experiment, but in a reverse direction. This confirms that your current flows always in a loop. That means current goes to the lamp, then current returns from the lamp. So both the current they are opposite to each other, and that is why this deflection is also opposite to each other. Am I right? So if you are happy, show your happiness also to me by your symbols, and that will be very interesting for me also because I will enjoy along with you. And now, what I am doing, another way of representation of our idea. This time, what I did, I keep my conductor directly parallel over the needle. Now, let us do this experiment. If we place the conductor at an 90 degree to the needle, you see, this is again a phone, a big phone. The deflection is not observed. The deflection is not observed. Now, the moment I will be switching to slight angle, you will find there will be a little deflection in the needle, and this deflection will be maximum when it will be parallel to that. So remember this concept, parallel to the needle, the deflection is highest, and perpendicular to the needle, if you place the conductor, the deflection is zero. And if you keep in between, Accordingly, there will be a variation from 0 to that maximum, say 20 or 30, whatever it may be. So this is quite interesting for me to learn along with you. Now, this concept confirms that the current carrying conductor is having a magnetic field nearby. Now let us close the lamp for some time, and I replace this needle, and thereafter I will be ready with my heavy duty magnet. Why did I call it heavy duty? Because the magnetic field strength is so high if you use this magnet. Now, how I set up is important. I shift my power pack to a distance because I need space for performance, and this is hot, so I have to keep it little away. Thereafter, I'll be placing the conductor at particularly this point. In between the magnetic field originating from North Pole and culminating on the South Pole, the magnetic lines of forces are invisible, but they are active always. So this is the learning we learn from this experiment, that in universe, even though we may not see the energy flow, the whole system of the universe is controlled by the inflow and outflow of energy from one body to the other in the absence of our knowledge. That is what we learn from science. And we become very polite to learn that we are nothing, but whoever is responsible for doing something and many things is that energy which I never see. You go to any worship place, you don't find there also energy, but you have to go there because we believe in worshiping. See, we have to worship, no problem, but understand the nature by itself. Now, what I'm do? You have to observe this wire, the red wire, is in this deep portion in between, and whenever I allow the current to flow through the lamp, you will observe. What you observe? Let us see. All will observe. This red wire jumping up. It was there on the floor, and it was trying to move this way. That means if it is trying to move up in the field, that means somebody is lifting. You see? And if you keep it here, the phone is like this, it is thrown out. And if you keep at this point, again it is thrown out. That means when there is a magnetic field already available here and you are creating a current here, by current you are having a magnetic field. So obviously two magnetic fields will interact with each other. And this resulting force is because of the interaction between your magnetic field and the magnetic field created by the current. So this is invisible to us, but they are acting in between. And now what I'm doing, I'll be reversing the magnetic field, because I have already told you the magnetic field we have studied from north to south. So this way. And now Let us reverse the field direction. That means the field direction will be this way and current will be flowing this way, and we keep it here, and let us see what is going to happen. Very great. It is unbelievable. Last time it was going out, and this time it wants to come inside. It is funny. It is truly amazing. Now we do here also. Let us see. It is again going there. Why it stopped on the way? Because there is a obstruction here, so it was stuck. I keep it here, and we will have a good test. See, movement is there. Let us now try whether it is falling in the trap or not. No, it does not listen me. Let me see again. Let us make the wire little straight. Oh, nice. Again repeat. Let's see whether that is going down to the tip, sorry, pit or not. Okay. That means if it is a science, it has to happen, and it is not a magic or it is by chance. Repetition of the experimentation confirm that the law is valid. And now this was all about the current on the red wire, and now we verify again, reverse the magnetic field, test with green wire, because green wire is carrying the current away from the lamp. That means the return current is coming through the green wire and it is going to the source. Let us observe whether it is getting up or getting down. Oh, it wants to go down further. That means if we keep it here, whether it will come down or out, thrown out, let us see. No, I will try another time. Okay, this is getting down. And here also we will have a test. It should. I try again. Let me try again. Sometimes, our management is faulty, and that is why the systems have a little bit deviation. Not deviation, exactly minimized. It is moving, but see again, we will see. Oh, so let us keep it here. Okay, it should come down. Now, my point is that when North Pole is here and the South Pole is here, and you are having this inside, it was trying to come up again, return. Oh, nice. And if you keep it here, it will be thrown out. Now let us put two at the same time and let's see what is going to happen and who goes where. I'm ready. So you have to have patience to see what is going to happen. Oh, this is interesting. That means whatever rule is getting applied for this red wire, the opposite rule will be applied for this wire because both the currents are opposite to each other. And that is a validation. And now I will have another round of experimentation by reversing the magnetic field. See, I changed north there and south here. So first test with green, because by reversing the field, I I have to show you what is the result for the green wire. Because initially I have seen this was going in. You might remember. Now see here it is coming out. See, when north was here and south was here, this green wire was going in. And when I change, north is here, south is here, that means the direction of the field is this way, and the current direction is this way. So it is moving up. That means a force is getting up. Up means it is throwing out. Let us see again here in the pit. Oh, it's the same thing. That means if it is here, it will come out. Okay, and if it is here, let us see what happens. Same thing. So it is beautiful. Now what I am doing, I have to keep two at the same time. And now let us verify finally who goes where. You imagine, and I have to do, and we have to confirm in our mind. The green wire, where does it move? And the red wire, how does it move? I guess, not guess, we see. Correct. It is confirmed. And last time it was opposite. And this time it is opposite to that. So what is opposite to that? Let us confirm finally. Now this over south, this over north. But we cannot consider like this, because our consideration is always direction of the field, here or opposite. And thereafter, direction of the current is also important. Which current, which direction current is moving, this way or this way? Now finally compare. It will be, I think, opposite to the previous one. The red one will be going out, and the green one will be coming inside. Oh, that's nice. Now one thing you have to observe: if I do like this, what will happen? Because I have already told you. You just imagine, and I will do the red one and the green one. Let's keep it and then do it. It is like this only. It has got no change. If you place it like this or place it reverse, they behave same. This is interesting, and not only interesting, I get mad to see. Every day you see, it will give you a input to think. And this is the way scientist people, they used to do experiments and continuing thinking, and thereafter, years after years, some people have taken years, and some people were lucky to have a discovery within a short span of time. But we are lucky to enjoy their knowledge, because we are not scientists. We have to just understand the concepts. Now we have to change our strategy. What is that strategy? I have to do accordingly, and I will be showing you my power pack will be here, and my wire will be parallel to the field. In this case, north south, that means the magnetic field is going this direction and your current suppose is flowing opposite to that, but both are parallel to each other. And in that case, we will see if you allow the current, what is going to happen. It is slight effect, but it is not like that one. It is not prominent. Observe again. It is just minor here, minor here. It is not prominent. And that is why I request you to understand one particular thing. The conductor, direction of the current and the direction of the field should have a 90-degree alignment like this for effective result. Now you see, I have changed the magnet position, north coming here, south coming here, and you keep it like this, and you predict now because you have already experienced what is going to happen, who will be moving where. If this is the question to all of us, then I will do the experiment, but you first predict and write down your prediction in the chat box so that I have to enjoy your interest in that particular field. अगर किसी को प्रिडिक्शन हो रहा है तो थोड़ा लिख दीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कोई फाइन नहीं हो रहा है। आप बोलिए मेरे को, रेड वायर कहाँ जाएगा? वो पीठ के अंदर जाएगा या मैग्नेट के बाहर जाएगा, ये थोड़ा बता दीजिए। और ग्रीन वायर कहाँ जाएगा? ये थोड़ा लिख देने से मेरे को अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि यू आर एन्जॉयिंग, आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग यू आल्सो by your chart. So I have a guess now and I will see whether my guess is right or wrong. I predict the red wire will be moving out and the green wire will be moving down. Let's see. Confirm. I reverse. This is very interesting. Even I fail. See again. If this is by chance, then the situation will be different. Bap re bap. So all of you note, I failed. And similarly, I wanted you to write something and I will check whether you pass or you fail, but you did not cooperate me. आप लोग को ये पसंद नहीं आया शायद कि हम लोग को फेल हो जाने से कुछ गलती हो जाएगा। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं। आपको स्वीकार करना पड़ेगा। फेल होने से फेल, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई हैव फेल्ड बिकॉज़ आई कुड नॉट गेस। नाउ यू सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग अगेन, दिस वे आई कीप इट लाइक दिस। और आप देखिए, द सेम थिंग आई डू। अब आपको पता चल जाएगा क्योंकि अब ईज़ी हो गया, क्योंकि एक बार हमने देख लिया, हमारा गलती तो हो गई, अब वो गलती दोबारा ना हो, तो इसीलिए हम लोग सुधार जाएँगे। अभी मेरे को जो एहसास हो रहा है, आप भी लिखिए ज़रा। रेड वन विल बी गोइंग आउट एंड ग्रीन विल बी गोइंग इन। इज़ इट ओके? If you agree with me, then you write okay, no problem. If you do not agree, then आंसर नो लिख दीजिए, कोई लिखता नहीं, ठीक है? गुड। एक तो चला गया लेकिन दूसरा तो अंदर गया नहीं। इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है कि हम लोग का पोजीशन, वायर का पोजीशन प्रोबेबली सही नहीं था। अभी देख लीजिए, नहीं हो रहा है। अभी देख लीजिए क्या हो रहा है, नहीं मूवमेंट हो रहा है। अब क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, ये भी ज़रा दिखाना है आपको, क्योंकि वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, वो मेरा गलती है या सिस्टम का गलती है? ओह! इट इज़ हैपनिंग। इसका मतलब द लेंथ मैनेजमेंट इज़ एसेंशियल। आप अगर ये साइड में रखेंगे, तो इस साइड में लोड ज़्यादा हो गया क्योंकि दिस इज़ कनेक्टेड टू द सोर्स। अब सेंटर में रखेंगे तो दोनों साइड बराबर वेट हो जाएगा और सेंटर में लोड नहीं रहेगा और आराम से हो जाएगा, आराम से। इसी का कंफर्म अगेन, यही प्रॉब्लम हुआ एक बार फिर। नाउ आई चेंज इट, स्ट्रेटेजी शुड बी चेंज्ड। नो, ये जगह थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है शायद। नो प्रॉब्लम है, ये तो होना चाहिए। आई विल डू दिस टाइम। नो, लेट अस सी। थोड़ा सा लाइट रखें। ओह गुड। अभी क्या हो रहा है? नाउ आई टेल यू द समरी इज टू बी मेड बिकॉज repeatedly we have done this experiment. Now you see, if I keep it in between, which wire behaves how? You are having two wires, and when current flowing, the red wire, you see, I am expecting the red wire to move up and the green wire to move down. Oh, that's a fact. Repeat. थोड़ा देख लीजिए अच्छा से, कंफर्म कीजिए। ये मजा दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा हम लोग को, क्योंकि हम भी कॉलेज में पढ़ के आए हैं, लेकिन कॉलेज में हमको ऐसा कोई नहीं दिखाया था। अभी मेरे को याद आया, नहीं नहीं नहीं, हमारा दिखाना चाहिए सबको। पीपुल शुड एंजॉय द साइंस। ये किताब में क्यों हो? ऑब्जर्व अगेन प्लीज। वेरी गुड। द रेड वेयर कमिंग अप, ग्रीन वेयर गोइंग डाउन। अभी देखिए इसका रिजल्ट क्या है, आई विल टेल यू। इसका एक इम्प्लीकेशन है, जो इम्प्लीकेशन हमने कल वीडियो में अपलोड किया हूँ, शॉर्ट वीडियो में। द लेटेस्ट वीडियो आई हैव अपलोडेड yesterday night 10 o'clock, that was all about DC मोटर। और जरा सोचिए, अभी हम डीसी मोटर का नाम ले लिया। अब डीसी मोटर का नाम क्यों ले लिया इधर? ये एक्सपेरिमेंट था बैकग्राउंड। इसी बैकग्राउंड को लेते हुए डीसी मोटर का जन्म हुआ है। क्योंकि अगर आपको एक वायर अरेंजमेंट ऐसा करना है एक फ्रेम के ऊपर, एक वायर करंट इधर जाएगा, दूसरा वायर करंट इधर जाएगा, और वो फ्रेम क्या रिएक्शन करेगा? दिस साइड वायर विल टेक द फ्रेम डाउन दिस वे, this said wire will take the frame up this way, and if you provide a axis, it will rotate this way. Now reverse, changing the magnetic field. See again, this time prediction कीजिए जरा, कौन सा वायर कहाँ जाएगा? मेरा प्रेडिक्शन ये है कि रेड वायर नीचे जाएगा और ग्रीन वायर बाहर आ जाएगा। थोड़ा देख लीजिए आराम से। राइट, और थोड़ा पीछे लेके आता हूँ, लेंथ देने से अच्छा लगेगा। आप भी देखिए, हम भी देखता हूँ। गुड। और ऐसा करके रखिए, तो फिर क्या हो रहा है? गुड, वेरी गुड। Red wire coming down and green wire going up. That means again two force will be on the frame, and the rotation of the frame will be like this. Opposite देखिए, ये ऐसा हो गया, ये force इधर, ये force इधर, तो ऐसा। तो let us verify that using our arrangement. What is the arrangement? 1 minute please. You wait till the magnet observe कीजिए जरा, और एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिख के दीजिए जरा। इस पोजीशन में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन आप मेरे को बताइए। इज इट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ और फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ? ये कंफर्म कर लीजिए नोट में लिख के। कोई आंसर आया क्या? Because I have to use another setup, so that is why I am moving. सेटअप क्या है जरा देख लीजिए। सेटअप इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। इस सेटअप में हम वो पुराना वाला पावर पैक को रिमूव करते हैं। वो मेरे को अभी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि मेरे को अभी हाई करंट नहीं चाहिए। क्यों नहीं चाहिए? आप बताइए क्यों नहीं चाहिए? क्योंकि मेरे को एक छोटा सा डीसी मोटर दिखाना है, और जो डीसी मोटर के लिए हम ये पावर पैक का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, एसएमपीएस का। और ये एसएमपीएस में दो टर्मिनल है, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव। एंड यू रिमेंबर दिस पॉजिटिव इज कनेक्टेड टू ए लैम्प, and the wire coming from the lamp is here with me, and it will go to the negative wire here. And if you connect here, the lamp should glow. First, I want to show you that. Get ready. I will show you first that one. The lamp is here. I switch it on. अभी तो लैम्प ग्लो नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि ये ओपन सर्किट है, और मैंने आपको बोल दिया है ये दोनों वायर इफ यू कनेक्ट इट शुड ग्लो, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड ए क्लोज सर्किट, so नो प्रॉब्लम। और जरा अभी देखिए आप, हमने वो कंडक्टर जो वायर को बताया आपको, अभी वो वायर को रिप्लेस करके इस फ्रेम के ऊपर वी विल कंसंट्रेट नाउ। एक साइड में वायर करंट इस साइड में लेके आएगा, दूसरा साइड में करंट दूसरा साइड में लेके जाएगा, बिकॉज यू नो दिस टू विल बी अपोजिट, एंड दिस इज एक्सिस। फ्रेम के साथ एक एक्सिस जुड़ा हुआ है, और एक्सिस के ऊपर वुडन ब्लॉक देके हाफ मेटल रिंग को हम लोग अडेसिव देकर के पोस्टिंग कर दिया है। गैप है देखिए, इस साइड में गैप, इस साइड में गैप। और जो कंडक्टर का जो दो एंड है, एक एंड इधर सोल्डरिंग किया गया है, देख लीजिए, एंड अनदर वायर इज सोल्डर्ड हियर, so it is not a big thing. Soldering I have done. That means if this is a continuous wire, I have to have a test first whether इतना लंबा लंबा तार हमने घुमाया। First, we have to confirm that the whole length of the wire, whatever I have used, is a single piece of wire. And how to have a test? This is called the continuity test. आप जरा देख लीजिए, चाहे आप रेड वायर को ऊपर रखिए, नहीं तो चाहे आप रेड वायर को नीचे भी रखिए, कोई इशू नहीं है मेरे लिए। इट शुड ग्लो। आपको ये ऑब्जर्व करना है, यू शुड ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस इज ग्लोइंग। व्हाट डज इट कंफर्म? You can write in the chat box, please. What does it confirm? Whatever test we did using this lamp and two pieces of open wire, and then taking this frame along with wire and these metallic rings separated from each other. I show you again, separated from each other. अपर हाफ में एक, लोअर हाफ में एक, अडेसिव लगा के वुड के ऊपर बैठा दिया, और वायर का दो टर्मिनल को दो रिंग से सोल्डरिंग कर लिया। और मैंने आपको बोला इसमें आपको सपोज 100 मीटर कपर वायर को आई हैव टेकन एंड आई हैव वाइंडेड लाइक दिस, आई हैव वुंड इट ऑन दिस, ऐसा करके घुमा के बबिन बनाया, ये बबिन बनाया, और सेंटर में होल करके शाफ्ट को दे दिया। दिस इज द आउटकम वी आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट टुडे बिफोर ऑल ऑफ यू लाइव। और आपका आंख खुल जाएगा आज। Even though I promise, even though you have not studied all those things in your college career or school career, today you will learn the whole thing in a new version. What is that new version? Let us see what is the other thing I have to present before you. The frame is must. ऐसा है कि फ्रेम बनाना है हमारे लिए जरूरी है क्योंकि अदर देन यू नो इफ यू डोंट हैव अ फ्रेम लाइक दिस how you post it. So I have to now show it to you, all of you, that I place the magnet inside this. Then your wire frame, जिसको हम लोग आर्मेचर बोलते हैं, you know there is a new term now. This is called armature, and this armature is getting attracted because this shaft is iron. So what I am to do, I have to place it in the hole provided. एक साइड में एक होल है और थोड़ा सा प्रेशर डाल के दूसरा साइड में भी एक होल है, अंदर घुसा दिया. नाउ एडजस्टमेंट पहले देख लेना कि इफ यू वांट टू मूव इट वेदर इट इज टचिंग द बॉडी और नॉट. इफ इट इज टचिंग देन थोड़ा बहुत साइड कर लीजिए, एडजस्ट इट एंड मैनुअली रोटेशन करके ये पहले देखिए कि अपना फ्रेम मैग्नेट के अंदर जो गैप है वो गैप में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. आ गया अभी, आप देख लीजिए ध्यान से. आई शो यू विथ लाइट, proper light is there. It's not a big thing. Gap is there because it is moving freely, no problem. Then थोड़ा देख लीजिए, नो यू हैव टू केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व दैट जो कटपीस वायर को हमने जोड़ के लैम्प को जलाया था, फर्स्ट आई हैव टू डू दैट, रिपीट दैट. I touch it and I show you here again that my lamp glows, and if I do not touch, the lamp is off. So this is open circuit and this is closed circuit. This also we have studied. Now हमें अभी क्या करना है, अभी यही करंट को, ये जो लैम्प का करंट है, इसी करंट को using our wire terminal we will just keep one on the upper half and one on the lower half. थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो गया था. ना वो लैम्प अपना रास्ते में रहे, नो प्रॉब्लम. आपको खाली देखना है, जैसे जैसे मैं यहाँ सपोज कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ, ये गैप है, अभी हमने कनेक्ट किया, अब देखिए लैम्प तो ग्लो कर रहा है. लैम्प इधर रखिए क्योंकि लैम्प सबको देखना है. तो व्हाट आई एम शोइंग using like this, I connect the wire terminals और ये मैं साबित कर रहा हूँ, I confirm that when I touch the two metal terminals of the armature, the lamp is glowing, but no rotational effect we could observe. That means I do not know who fails, whether I fail or whether science fails. This is a big question to all of you. दिमाग लगाइए जरा प्लीज. अगर फ्रेम को ऐसा रखते हुए I could show you that I touched, but there was no effect on the armature as far as rotation is concerned. So बड़ा धक्का लगा मेरे को. अब देखिए ये जो गैप पोजीशन है, ये अभी आपका जो पोजीशन है ये साइड में ले लेता हूँ, और ये जो कपर वायर का पोजीशन था ऊपर नीचे, इसको लेफ्ट राइट में रखता हूँ. Then the fun will start. The reality is here itself. I keep both the wires, one on the top and one down on these metal rings. and you observe. Science is miracle. Science is miracle. I repeatedly say it, declare it. जिंदगी भर घूमता रहेगा जब तक आपका करंट है। इसीलिए आपका घर में जितने सारे मोटर्स चलता है उसमें से ये मोटर लेकिन आपको घर में ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है। These motors are DC motors. They are used extensively in electronic industry, रोबोटिक्स में, रोबोट को चलाने में। फिर हम आगे आएंगे घर में जो मोटर हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो क्या है, एंड हाउ डू दे रोटेट and provide lot of comfort every day. We get comfort. See, when I am light, the speed is more, and when I press it, the speed is less, but moving. अभी जरा देख लीजिए पुराना पोजीशन में क्यों नहीं हुआ, इसका भी आंसर आपको देना पड़ेगा। This way, what I am doing, I have to hold my terminals vertical, not up and down. Both will be vertical, and the ring should be like that. थोड़ा एक बार देख लीजिए फिर। Lamp is glowing, but armature is not rotating. Surprising. ये क्यों? इसका आंसर लेकिन हम बताएंगे नहीं आपको. I don't give you the answer. You have to give me the answer in the next program. So now, what I am showing you again, I have to confirm if I place the red on the top and the green on the down, which way the armature rotates, you first take a note whether it is as usual last time or different. Yes, this is moving towards the south pole, you could observe. It starts from north pole and going towards south pole. Now, there will be a big surprise if we are doing like this and I shift my terminals, the red going down, green coming up, it is reversed. Beautiful. I have not given any ball bearing, so that is why there is a sound khach 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 ho raha hai, because I have just inserted this shaft in a hole, a raw hole, and that is why this sound should not come if you use ball bearing and proper alignment. लेद में अगर करते हैं हम लोग नए काम अच्छा ढंग से तो ये बन जाएगा कमर्शियल मॉडल। अब देखिए फिर now there is a big test for all of us. What is that big test? I have to first remove everything. I removed my armature. Why did I remove? Because I will change my polarity of the magnet. Then the same way, your armature should be placed in the position. आ गया बीच में. Then confirm कर लीजिए fast whether this is free or not. Anywhere touch हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. No touch. Now the same rule to be followed. Keep the lamp here. अरे 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 क्या हो गया? निकल गया? ओह, ऐसा होता है कभी कभी काम करते करते. So what you have to do? You think accordingly, insert it. Then your nail should be a screwdriver. Try to understand. Because I don't have screwdriver now. My nail will be a screwdriver. Observe carefully. थोड़ा सा टाइट होने से हो जाएगा काम. दिस इज कॉल्ड द फेलोर इन द प्रोजेक्ट. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, प्रोजेक्ट फेल करता है और इसके लिए जिम्मेदारी यहाँ है इंजीनियर के ऊपर. द इंजीनियर्स आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल. नाउ लेट इट बी लाइक दिस. And what I do, I keep the red wire on the top again and green down. Last time I have shown you this was rotating this way, but prediction कीजिए जरा इस टाइम क्या होगा. स्विच ऑन नहीं हुआ है, लैम्प नहीं ग्लो कर रहा है. ये सारे चीज को देखना पड़ेगा. इज अपोजिट नाउ. You see, this is moving towards the south end. और अगर हम पोजीशन ये चेंज करते हैं तो भी फिर अपोजिट हो जाएगा. So this is the total demonstration of our arrangement which I promised yesterday. अब आपका टाइम है, मेरा टाइम खत्म हो गया. आप लोग में जो भी है मेरे साथ, इफ यू आर हैविंग विथ मी, देन प्लीज नोट. दिलीप सर ने लिखा है नाइस एक्सपेरिमेंट. थैंक यू सर. Adit, if you are available, then please write whether enjoyed or not. But he has written okay, sir. Live simple. उन्होंने अच्छा सिंबल दे दिया है. ग्रेट. ग्रेट लेसन भी लिखा है. फाइन. भगवान जी ने लिखा है गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू ऑल्सो द सेम. सो कुछ लोग ने मैसेज दे के ये साबित कर दिया कि ट्रूली दे हैव एंजॉयड एंड दिस इज माय हैप्पीनेस. Because if some people enjoy, then my efforts are fruitful. Because I do lot of labor day and night here itself. Because during my study, I did not do that effort. During my Naukri days, I did not make that effort. But now I am happy with my viewers. So let me know. Finally, before we go, you have to put your message. Those available, kindly put your message. Any question coming to you? Our topic was like this: force on current carrying conductor when placed in a magnetic field. So this ends with a DC motor. Even though I will go for another program with a DC motor specifically because that is my like topic. I will show you how simple way we can represent the DC motor other than these many complicated things, because armature making is not that easy. All cannot have a finished product like this. So कितना आराम से हम बना पाएंगे और कितना हल्का से ये एक्सपेरिमेंट को हम देख पाएंगे या बच्चों को दिखाएंगे, इसका एक डिस्कशन होगा. But I do not know exactly what I am planning for tomorrow or not. I will publish. But anyway, कोई सजेशन है तो दे दीजिए before we leave this program. Otherwise, I do have some questions, and you note. If possible, you answer, or if you do not know, leave it. बाद में घर में देखिए. First question by me, question number one. When is the deflection in the needle maximum? As you have remembered the experiment, you have to express. I have given you two options now. Suppose I give you two options. One, if you place your conductor, number one, perpendicular to the needle. Option B, parallel to the needle. ये दोनों में से आपको जितना भी है, जो भी है अवेलेबल, थोड़ा लिख दीजिए कौन सा सिचुएशन में द नीडल विल डिफ्लेक्ट मैक्सिमम. ऑप्शन ए इज राइट और ऑप्शन बी इज राइट. ऑप्शन ए perpendicular, option B parallel to the needle. This is my first question. Which famous scientist showed that experiment first to the world? Or otherwise, you may think like that, which famous scientist is credited in the human history for this knowledge to all of us? Is it option A, is it Michael Faraday? Option B, Oersted. ये दोनों में से कौन सा साइंटिस्ट को वो एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए क्रेडिट दिया गया है? एंड बाय हिज नेम दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट हैज बीन नेम्ड. उन्हीं का एक्सपेरिमेंट बोला जाता है. ये हो गया दो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, whenever there is a current in a conductor, what is associated with it? Whenever there is a current in a conductor, what is associated with this? Option A, magnetic field. Option B, electric field. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज ऑल्सो राइट आंसर, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट ये दोनों में से आज हमने कौन सा एक्सपेरिमेंट को कंफर्म किया? ऑप्शन ए में हमने बोला आपको दिस इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ऑप्शन बी में अब मैंने आपको बोला कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. इवन दो आई टोल्ड यू दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विथ करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर, बट हमने आज आपको कौन सा प्रूफ करवाया? ये तीन क्वेश्चन या चार जो भी हुआ, इसको जरा आप सोच लीजिए. अगर आपको आंसर मिल रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर रिव्यू कर लेंगे आप. तो पहला क्वेश्चन था, व्हाट इज एसोसिएटेड. नो, पहला क्वेश्चन था कौन सा डायरेक्शन में मैक्सिमम डिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है. द आंसर वाज पैरेलल में. आप थोड़ा याद कर लीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वाज लाइक दिस, what is associated is magnetic field is associated with the current carrying conductor. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, कौन सा साइंटिस्ट को यह क्रेडिट मिला था? फेमस साइंटिस्ट और स्टर्ट. और ये तीनों के साथ आज का लाइव प्रोग्राम यहाँ खत्म हो रहा है. और ये उम्मीद के साथ कि हम आगे भी मिलते हैं, दूसरा कोई लाइव एक्सपेरिमेंट हम करते रहेंगे. Till I plan it properly, I will be able to show you properly. Or for the planning, I tell you, it takes a lot of time for me. मटेरियल मैनेज करना, सेटिंग करना, टेस्टिंग करना, वीडियो को पहले शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट में अपलोड करना, देन लाइव में 1 घंटे के लिए डिटेल प्रोग्राम के लिए तैयार रहना। ये सारे चीज़ इतना आसान नहीं है, तो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर बीइंग विथ मी। टाइम के साथ मेरे को इजाज़त दीजिए। होप टू मीट यू अगेन। सी यू नेक्स्ट। हैव अ नाइस डे।